Yo, what up guys, Brief5D here coming to you from ngbuzz.com. It's been a while since we did one of these videos, but finally I have a package right here on the desk. Yes, the old desk. And I wanted to go in here and show you what is in this package. From the title, you can already tell this is a mobile device, and we don't do these unboxing videos until we have a new package that arrived, and we've been busy with our other YouTube channels. So let me unbox this one and show you what's in the pack. This device is known as the Umidigi A11 Pro Max Android phones. Yes, it's a mobile device, and let me open the pack so you can see the beautiful pack. Of course, that's the first thing we want to see, how it is packed. This device was purchased and delivered here in Nigeria, and it's available. It used to be bought from China. I bought it from eBay. I think I bought it from AliExpress, but now our local Nigerian stores do have this device in stock, which is a nice thing. You're expecting to see in the pack when you buy this device, of course, your mobile phone included. That's the first important thing you should know. A screen protector that should be inside, pre-applied to the screen already, so you don't need to add additional one, except you have a stronger screen protector to put. And you're expecting to see your phone casing. Yes, it comes with a phone casing. That's one thing that these devices, Umidigi brand, is known for. Very strong devices that can hit and stand the test of time when you fall to the ground. You're expecting to see your power adapter to charge, and of course it comes with a USB Type-C cable also included, a SIM tray that can, the SIM tray ejector, that is the pin, and of course your quick starter guide. Let's open it and see if everything that I'm expecting is in the pack. This is my receipt from Jumia, our local Nigerian shop where I bought this from. Let me put my scissors aside. From what I can tell, it looks heavy. Umidigi phones are known to be heavy, and the branding is in yellow. Beyond Dreams, that's the pack right there. This device is the more expensive one. Umidigi do have the ones of 85,000. When you purchase, make sure of course it comes sealed, right? So I'll open the seal to break it right there to show that if you see a package that have already been opened, make sure you inform your seller so you don't find any parts missing. All right, the package has been broken and we can see what's in the pack right there. Umidigi, I don't know if I'm even pronouncing the name right, but that's it. That's the features you see right there. The screen protector, like I said, this is not a screen protector. This is just an ordinary one that shows you some of the features of the device. If I can tell you why I bought this device, the main selling point for this device is the RAM size. This is a 8GB RAM size, and of course it comes with even a 4GB RAM variant, which it will be cheaper than this one. This is also a 128GB storage space. In terms of internal storage, there are lower ones of 32GB storage and all that. It will be cheaper, but this one is the highest one. That's why it's a 11 Pro Max. In terms of the Pro Max, the size you can tell is a 6.8. Let me just bring it out from the pack. Let's see what else is in there. 6.8, that means it's not a small device. It fills your hand. It's full. You need sometimes two hands to hold it and type and all that. So it's not a small device at all. By no means is this a small device. So you can see right there that the pack is already applied. The pack outside is applied, or the screen protector is applied. What else is the selling point for this device? It comes with Android 11 pre-installed. Yes, it comes with Android 11, which is the latest operating system for Android right now in the market. And besides the storage and the RAM, which is the original reason why I got it, this device can also last long for you in terms of battery consumption of 5.150 mAh battery. So that's what is included in this side. It's not like 10,000 or 8,000 like those other brands that you see from China. This one comes with a normal battery consumption, but normal battery rating of 5,150 mAh, I mean to say. So it also comes with quick charging. So when you plug this device, you don't have to wait entire 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours for it to fully charge. It will be fully charged in no time. So let's see what else in this pack. Let me bring this one closer, put it to the side. This is the quick starter guide, I guess, and let's find out if it's inside, of course. That's your SIM tray, what you need to unlock the SIM. That's it right there. And I'll use this pin to pop out the SIM tray from the phone. Let me put it to the side. That's your quick starter guide. Be sure to take a look at it and make sure you understand how to use these devices if this is your first time. So, and then the USB-C cable for charging, and of course the power adapter, 3-pin power adapter right there. Nice. So everything that I'm expecting is in the pack and complete. Let me put them aside and then focus on the phone itself. So from the phone, we can already tell that this device will be awesome for those who are interested in cameras, right? That's another selling point for this device, that it comes with a 48 megapixel camera in the rear. So it's not just one camera as you see there. There are multiple cameras behind this. A 48 megapixel Sony main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and of course a 2 megapixel macro camera. So that's 3 cameras in one. The rest of these 2 stuff you see here are sensors. So this is a sensor, this is a sensor, while you have 3 cameras coming down there. In the front, you are looking at a front facing camera that is working with face recognition for your security, so you can use this to unlock your device appropriately. Then on the back side here, you see on the side, you see a, what do you call this one now? A fingerprint sensor, also for security. So if I want to unlock this device, it's not behind, it's not on down here, it's from the side. So you probably want to use your thumb as the way to unlock the device easily. Some people might also register their fingerprint right here to use it like this, but I prefer to use my thumb to unlock. So those are the 2 security features you can expect from this device: facial recognition and fingerprint sensor. A dual LED flashlight is also included behind. So that's a dual LED flashlight for taking pictures and videos. At the highest that we can expect from this device when taking videos is 1080 pixels, and of course the 720 format is also available for video recording. HD pictures can be expected when you snap with this, so I'm expecting to take some shots and show on the Instagram very soon to see how we can actually test this for video production and also for pictures. For connections, you're expecting to see 4G. That's the standard that we are seeing right now in the market. Every device right now comes with 4G included, and of course the lower brands of 3G and 2G are all included at the same time. This is not a 5G enabled device at all, not yet. So it also has a dual SIM. So if I can take this out right now and show you the SIM tray, I'll pop it out and see what's this pack now. It comes with, like I said, it's not the best. You might want to get a stronger pack for yourself. So let me pop out the SIM tray so we can see the dual SIM feature. Besides the dual SIM, you can also insert a external storage device. Yes, I'm talking about a memory card. Up to 256 gigabytes of external storage can be added to this device. So you have 128 inbuilt, and you can add up to 256 gigabytes added right there, including a 2 dual SIM tray, a nano SIM card. That is what you expected to use right there. SIM 1, SIM 2, and a memory card up to 256. If you have 32 gig fine, 16 gig fine, but if 256 can work in this device. Unlike most devices that can only accommodate up to 128 or less. This can go up to external storage of 256. Awesome. That means you will never have a device that is full and you don't have space to store stuff. So you can insert your SIMs and put in 2 SIMs or 1 SIM, depending on what you want, and that will be fine right there. So I'll insert my SIM and power up this device, and let's see the welcome screen and how it looks. I'll be right back. All right, I've inserted my SIM. Let me power on the device for the first time and see the welcome screen that we can find right there. That's Umidigi Android, powered by Android. This is not the first device for Umidigi I'm purchasing. I think I had the Bison. I've purchased the Bison before, and that device was strong, and I just love them because they can actually withstand falls, unlike some devices where they just hit the floor and go into pieces. This device is really, really strong. Use mobile device for setup. Well, I'm not going to bore you with the initial setup. I just wanted to show the front initial booting of this device, and you can go ahead with your setup, log in your Gmail and start setting up your Android, download your apps. This is an awesome device. If you want me to do some app testing to actually see whether the 8 gig RAM is what they claim it should be in terms of usage for games, for applications, switching between apps, I'll love to do that test in a deeper video. For this one, I just wanted to do the short unboxing and show you what's in the pack, the price, the features, what you expect when you get this device, and I can tell you it's going to be really fast. Now, I've seen some complaints online about the battery consumption. Like all Android devices, it will all depend on how many applications you're running at the same time. So make sure you exit out some apps and reduce your brightness when you're not using high. A screen like this 6.8 widescreen will consume battery. That's just the fact. So I'm expecting to have some battery issues if I am running high-end applications, but if you're just using it for a normal phone usage, phone calls, SMS, social media, you won't have battery issues on this type of device. That's for end users who are always doing a lot of stuff with their Android and they'll fall into battery issues. So the parts on this device, I'm glad they are now available online. If you have any issues with your screen, batteries, it's easily replaceable, unlike before when you had to order it all the way from China. I'm glad the screen, the battery, and other parts are now available in the market, especially in Nigeria. So you're asking, how much is this device again? I'll let you know. It is about $250. That's equivalent of 112,000 naira. In the link below, you can find my link if you want to purchase this device from Jumia or Konga local stores. I'll also find some resources online to see if I can find some on AliExpress to share with you. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this one, if it's a device you've used or you just wanted to see this review to see if it's something you will buy or not. I'm telling you, this is the cheapest Android phone with 8 gig RAM that you can find in the market right now and 128 gig storage. I checked and this was the best one so far. Alright, let me know, hit the like button for me in this video and also comment, subscribe to the NG Buzz YouTube channel for more tech related content and what goes on in the office. Later guys.